What's up, everybody? I am Jeremy Johnson from Weldtech Designs, and you know when I'm in front of the camera, I got something cool to show you, and it is a awesome Ford Econoline behind me. But before I get into showing you guys that, I want to say, please, if you find some value, if you thought the van was cool, never mind my annoying voice, please smash that subscribe button and ring that bell. We are putting out videos every week that have to do with vans and other cool things in the van world. So thank you guys in advance for doing that and giving us a big thumbs up. Enough with the jibber jabbering. Look how beautiful this thing is. And this is gonna screw you guys up because this is like a 2006. I'm gonna have to check the date. Let's check the date on that. Date check, 2002, but wait a second, what's going on here? They have done a front end conversion and converted this to the 2008 to 14 body style, and this thing looks killer. They've also added some custom touches up on here, like this awesome bull bar on there, as well as a hitch. Dude, who doesn't love the Ford emblem? They've added some LED light bar in the hole there, along with some other LEDs in the bumper. Dude, I love it. I love seeing what you guys are doing to your vans. I love it. It's awesome. And then another light bar up on top of that awesome fiberine top. And what's cool about this is I think he actually got this fiberine top for like a few $100s out of a junkyard, which, dude, who doesn't love deals like that? That is rad. But you may ask, why is this van here? Well, for a Baja grocery getter kit. Who doesn't want a Baja grocery getter kit on their van? So you guys know it. This thing has the diesel engine in it, which is going to be awesome. It's going to tow anything, go anywhere. Dude, I love this. You guys see, you know, do I really need to talk about the Baja grocery getter? You know what it is? So let me tell you if you don't know. So modified beams, 6-inch lift coils, Fox shocks, and extended radius arms. That's the kit in the front end. It's awesome. We've also added a Fox steering stabilizer, and we make a specific steering stabilizer for the Fox shock for the diesel. So make sure if you're ordering a gas or diesel steering stabilizer, you let us know what you have. And what's nice about that is you can still run that on a stock vehicle. It doesn't have to be lifted in order to run that, and you're gonna notice huge benefits of it. And Austin's getting attacked by a bee. I love it. Bees attacking him. Austin's trying to eat bees. So, and as we cruise around this thing, we're gonna see awesome ARB touring awning up on the top of this thing. And we did a leaf spring video on this to show you guys also the benefits of leaf springs. So we've gone in the back of this and added a 7-leaf pack because he does have a build out inside, which we'll get to. On the back of this, we're running an Aluminess rear bumper, box, and tire carrier, which is super rad. And it has additional storage in the bumper. So if you guys are looking for something lightweight to put in the rear of your van, this thing is awesome. We definitely dig a lot of the Aluminess products. Another LED light up on top, which is rad on this fiberine top. This overall, the van sits really nice and rides even better than it looks. And we always love the cool stickers that people do. The EX2, you know, it's like the E-Series 2-wheel drive. Yep, we love those 2-wheel drive vans. All right, guys, so who wants to see the inside? I know you guys do. I really dig the inside of this, and I know that if I remind you guys right now, before we jump in the inside of this van, smash that subscribe button. I want to see, like, I don't even know, dude, 10 people, 15, 20, 25, 100? How many people can we get to subscribe on this video? If we can reach 100 people on this video within the next month, we're gonna do a killer giveaway. How about that? You guys ready? It's locked. The van's locked. I guess we're not going inside. Dude. Whoa. I don't even, here, I'm gonna jump in. Don't look at my butt, okay? Dude, this thing is awesome in here. So a ton of room. I can't quite stand up, but I'm like almost there. Still, it's rad. I'm seeing that the front seat is on a swivel. We have our awesome ice cooler, which would definitely double as another seat. Now, I believe this particular individual has 2 kids, maybe 3, so they still are able to cruise around. They have the one bench, obviously a little baby. But what I dig about this the most is how they did this fiberine top. Now, typically on most fiberine top builds, you'll see that they do the cutout to the corner of it, which is gonna give you more inside room. Instead, what they've done is brought the fiberine top in, or the fiberine top is still on the outside, but made the hole in the roof smaller. Now, what that did is gave them a ton of storage all the way around this thing, which is awesome. That storage is almost more important to me than having that few more inches of perhaps standing up space. Another thing that they did that I thought was really nice was in the back here, because this is a passenger van and is going to have the air conditioning vents, you see that about 2.5, 3 feet from the back of the van, they've left all of that original. So again, what that's done is it's given like 3 feet of storage space up there. That's huge. That's super important when you're on a trip and you need to be able to pack 10 gallons of stuff in a 5-gallon bucket. This is going to do it while also maintaining your AC. I dig that. You can see they've also had some additional places for storage along the windows where they could tuck blankets and things of that nature. This is also giving them enough of a sleeping platform for 2 adults. So that is also really great. And then this is all removable. So this all comes out. So if you want to have an additional space in here, you can totally still put motorcycles in the back. You could still put big things in the rear, because all of these pieces are completely modular. He did a killer job. The customer did this build out. I think that it's really nice. I'll see another thing that he's done on here is he's also running the C-Tech battery management system, because he's added, I think, 4 more batteries to this. So we have our C-Tech battery manager right here, along with the solar panel, and you'll see that there's also some outlets here so that they can plug in additional things. A lot of little things that are really cool that we don't see. Like, who doesn't love extra cup holders, you know? Really cool. So very simple, nothing super crazy, but really nice. I think the overall finish of this is great. He's put the fan up in the ceiling to get rid of the hot air. This thing's awesome. This is like a diesel van that just gonna go and have fun with. So very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the inside and outside of this build. If I missed anything, please comment below and we'll try to answer any questions that we can. Other than that, I know, because I've told you twice now, 3rd and final time, please smash that subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up. Comment below if you have questions, or just say, hey, you talk too much, or keep up the good work. You know, who doesn't like a positive comment, guys? Thank you so much. I'm Jeremy from Weld Tech Designs, and I will see you guys on the next video.